Greetings, little royalty! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where today, we're diving into the majestic world of crowns. Let's embark on a magical journey together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Start drawing with black marker. Grab your black marker and let's start creating our fabulous crown. Begin by drawing the shape of the crown on your paper, embracing the elegance fit for a king or queen. Now, let's add some sparkle. Imagine dazzling stones adorning your crown. Add them along the top, giving it that extra touch of regal brilliance. To make our crown truly majestic, let's make those outlines bold and sharp. Feel the power and grandeur as your drawing comes to life. And now, it's time to add a burst of color to your royal creation. Grab your color pens, and let's paint this crown with all the splendor it deserves. Indigo color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Pink color. Deep pink color. Blue color. Dark blue color. Behold, your magnificent crown is complete. If you had a royal time today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more majestic adventures, and share your grand artwork in the comments below. Until next time, keep on creating, little royalty. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.